Hey everybody, it's Paul Rubillo at ActiveStocks.com. Friday, September 18th, last day of the week and the last day of options expiration. Early action so far, we're seeing a little bit of tightness in the stocks. Again, we do see this quite often on options expiration Friday, where the stocks are sort of tied into a real tight range. Again, we do have the occasion where things will spike out, one either spike up or spike down as we get into the afternoon, but it hasn't seen a lot of that lately. And again, wouldn't be surprised for more of like a mixed day possibly, but again, so far the indication is that the stocks are in a tight range. The high beta plays, the Apples, the Googles, the Amazon, up just a little bit so far today. Talked about it this morning on ActiveStocks.com. That's where I would still be leaning on the long side of the market. I would still stick to the high beta name. Again, that's sort of where the table is hot. You stay with that. That's what I would be doing there. PALM, P-A-L-M, earnings out last night into today. Now the stock really not giving the market much of a catalyst, similar to what we saw yesterday with Oracle and Federal Express. Didn't get much of a kick from their earnings, not seeing that either from PALM. As we get into next week, we're going to have some bigger names also reporting, like Lennar, L-E-N, home builder. KB Homes is also going to be putting their report out. Again, those are two interesting home builders. I'd like to see what they have to say as far as what they're seeing. AutoZone will be out again. That stock has been weak lately. It's one of the auto parts retailer plays. It's been weak in some good markets at times. So again, it'll be interesting to see what happens, what they have to say. I'll be interested to see if they have anything to say from the cash for clunkers and how that may have affected them, if it did at all. Also, Bed Bath & Beyond and RIM, our research in motion. Again, a lot of hype going on right now about the smartphone, and RIM's in the middle of that space right now. So we'll see what they have to say. Gold pulling back just a little bit today. Again, it's been in the news a lot this week, hitting highs during the week. But right now, it looks like we're just going to end up slightly higher for the week with gold. Some of the commodity names are pulling back as well. Again, they've had a nice run, a little bit of profit taking. That's it, everybody. Listen, we're going to have the breakout stocks list out this weekend. I think there's going to be at least 30 to 40 new names hitting that list. So be sure to check that out. And again, sign up for the Active Stocks free trial and get started seeing what we're doing each and every day, bringing you the best ideas we could find, along with a nice list each morning of Wall Street's upgrades and downgrades. So you're up to the minute going into the action with what Wall Street has to say. And today's list was actually probably one of our biggest ever. It was huge, the list. So again, and that's going to help with your trading ideas. So that's it, everybody. Again, have a great weekend. We'll see you on Monday. Thanks.